Hello children, come back to our lesson. Which lesson I have taught you? In the first part. The first part I have taught about the trip to Andaman. First part is completed. Now the remaining second part. In the first part, what is happened here? A family went to the Andaman Nicobar Islands as a trip in the summer vacation, children. So they have reached the first day and the second day. Now we are going to the third day. What is happened in the third day? We are going to see here in the lesson. So page number 74. Starting page number 72 and 74 children. Now we are talking about the 74 page number. So in the 74 page number, I am going to read. Everybody should look carefully, children. See, it was the third day. Early in the morning, mom woke up. Means they have slept at night, and the mother is going to woke up to the children here. Mother woke up to show us the magnificent spectacle of the dawn at the sea. Means the magnificent spectacle is going to shown by the mother. Next, after 2 days, we reached Port Blair. Actually, where they are going? They are going to the Andaman Nicobar Island. So Andaman Nicobar Island. Port Blair is the capital city of the Andaman Nicobar. They have reached to the Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman Nicobar. Now, Dad is speaking it. Dad. Who is speaking here? Let us see. Dad, do you have any idea about these islands and the people who live there? I asked. I means one boy is asking. One boy. And the girl name is given. What is the name of that girl? Amala. Amla is a girl who has a character in this lesson, children. So the boy is asking, do you have any idea, Dad? Do you have any idea about these islands and the people who live here? The people who live here. You have any idea about the people? I asked. Dad said, I know a little. Child, I know a little. There are about 600 islands. How many children? 600. The dad is speaking that I know about 600 islands. They are located between India's coast and Myanmar. India's coast and Myanmar. They are located where? They are located at the India's coast and the Myanmar. Only 37 of them are inhabited. Inhabited means the people who can survive. The place where the people can survive. So we can tell inhabited. Only 37 of them are inhabited. The place where the people can survive, only 37 islands I know, he is telling. They have plant, animals and marine life in abundance. That inhabited place has the man life, animal life, along with the marine life also. In abundant is nothing but in more quantity. Okay. Next, we learned that the inhabitant of the islands were the aboriginal tribes. Inhabitant of the islands. Inhabitant of the islands is the people who are living on the islands. Where the aboriginals. Aboriginals means here meaning is given, children. Aboriginal in the page number 75. Aboriginally or original means original people belong to a place. Original people belong to a place means here in the island some people are going to live before from the ancient time. Some of them lived far away from the civilized society. Some people are living, some inhabited, some people are living far away from the civilized society. Civilized means the people who have some knowledge about the environment, about the society. So they are the civilized society. Next, despite this, the islands today look like a miniature India. Miniature India. That means in spite of all knowing this, nowadays we can tell this island as a miniature India, small India. We saw people of different languages there. They saw people of different languages, means the people who are living in that place speaking in different languages. Cultures, cultures and tradition. Every religion has their own culture and tradition. Hindus have their own, Muslims they have, Christians they have own culture and tradition. And the faith living together happily. And faith also means keeping the hope. Faith is nothing but keeping the hope on God. Okay, so faith living together happily. It's all people, the people who have the different languages, cultures and faith, they are living very happily. We visited a famous national monument. means they have reached. Where they have reached first? They have reached a famous national monument. Monument is nothing but the construction which was made by the olden people. Monument, historical place also you can touch. So we visited a famous national monument, the cellular jail. Means they have reached where? They have reached the cellular jail. Cellular jail is one monument, children. Okay. Now we learned that the cellular jail was built by the British. We learned, means they might have learned that from the books, I think so, or from the internet or somewhere. They have learned that the cellular jail was built by the British people. It was no longer a jail. At that time it was a jail, but now no longer it was a jail. Let us see what it is. It had been converted into a big hospital. The cellular jail was converted into a big hospital. Okay, children, this one, first of all, they have visited to the national monument. Let us see. They came to know the people who are living in that place, means inhabitant. They have learned about, they have seen the different people are living with different cultures and faith, living very happily. Now they are visiting to the different places. First of all, which place they have reached? Let us see. See, they have reached first Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. First place is what? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, M-A-H-A-T-M-A. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi Marine. M-A-R-I-N-E. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, children. Okay, so they have visited this place first, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Let us see what they have seen in the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. After a while, so after some time, we reached an exciting place. What is the name of that place? The Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. The park was spread over a wide area of 15 islands. Means in that park, how much islands are located? Area of, it is a widespread. It is that this area is spread with 50 islands. Island. What is an island? Andaman Nicobar. A trip to Andaman, I told. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Islands is nothing but four side water, children. Okay. Four side water. Suppose this is the land. This is the land, and four side water is present. Four side water is present. This is the board. Suppose this is the land. So four side water, if it is there, means it is the island. Next, see here. The park was spread over a wide area of 15 islands. Open creeks running through the park area needed special attention. So open creeks running through the park area needed special attention. We watched, what they have watched? We watched coral reefs, fishes of different colors, and sea turtles through glass bottom boards. Means they have seen what they have seen coral reefs. Coral reefs are nothing but the bridges which are constructed under the sea or upon the sea. Okay, the bridges which are constructed on the sea, they are called the coral reefs. Fishes of different colors, children. We can see the fishes in our aquarium, different colors. So that people have seen in the sea itself. Now, and sea turtles. Turtles means, you know, tortoise. Okay, turtles through glass bottom board. Glass bottom board. Okay. Now, for some time we felt ourselves as a part of them. For some time they felt what? We are a part of them. There is a bottom. Glass bottom boat is nothing but the boat which takes us into the water. It looks like that only. So after seeing this, what is happening? Which type of feeling came in their mind? They felt that we are a part of them. Next, Amala and I reached the fish and turtle. In the glass bottom boat, we reached near to the fish and turtle and cheered. Okay, and they felt very happy. We travelled by a ferry from Port Blair to a place called Havelock Island. Second one, they are going to visit the place Havelock Island. Havelock Island. Okay, children. they are reaching at which place? They are just reaching at the Havelock Island. We travel by a ferry. Ferry is nothing but a small boat. Till now they have traveled by a big ships. A small boat is called a ferry ship. They traveled ferry from Port Blair. They are moving from Port Blair to a place called Havelock Island. This is also one type of island ship. The ferries carry people. What the ferries will do? The ferries carry people, vehicles and goods also. The ships, the boats which carry the vehicle, peoples and goods also. We enjoyed. What they have enjoyed? We enjoyed pani puri. Means they are going to eat the pani puri, samosas and garam chai during the ferry journey. When they are traveling through the sea in a ferry, they just offer they like to eat the samosas, garam chai and pani puri. Let us children. Now we will go to the next place. Which place? Havelock Island. Second I have written. First they have visited the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Next they are going to visit the Havelock Island. Let us see. All have seen the picture of children here. This is the Havelock Island. Okay, seen in the picture Havelock Island. Now see here. A majestic lighthouse. A majestic lighthouse greeted us on our arrival at the Havelock Island. When they are going to reach near to the Havelock Island, a lighthouse was present. Okay, and what the lighthouse is doing? Making the people, giving the people greetings as a welcome. A majestic lighthouse greeting us on our arrival at the Havelock Island. We felt as if sandy beaches and greenish blue sea. Sandy beaches. What the beach contains, children? The beach contains the sand only, mud. Okay, and a greenish blue sea were warmly welcoming us. Greenish and blue sea is warmly welcoming us. Welcome to the Havelock Island, like this. Okay. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking. What the people are doing on the beach? Some foreign is nothing but abroad people. Okay, abroad people. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. Basking is nothing but they are just taking the rest. Okay, they are just wearing the trousers. Which type of trousers? Okay, inner wears and ladies are covering their body parts. Okay, they are basking in that way, basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. We saw tourists enjoying swimming in the sea. Okay, some tourists are what doing? They are just swimming in the sea and riding on elephants. And some people are sitting on the elephant, and they are going on riding the elephant. Silky sands, foaming tides, and cool breeze of the sea attracted us very much. How the people are going to be attracted in this Havelock Island, sir? They are very attracted by seeing the pictures, okay, and cool breeze also. Okay, we took lots of pictures. Of the beautiful scenery. What they have done? That means they have carried a camera also with them, and they have captured all the pictures with the beautiful scenery. Scenery is nothing but nature. Okay. Now this is the first part, children. What I have told, and this is the second part. In the next part we will continue with the another topic. The remaining part is consists of the people who are making a trip to Andaman. Okay, after visiting the first and second place, at which place they are going to visit, we will see in the next class. So children, everybody's duty. Okay, listen the classes carefully and do the homeworks whatever are given, and write especially daily 1 page handwriting you should write in your 4 notes. So let I end my class. We will see in the next class.